Hello students. In 10th topic magnetic field due to an electric current, today we are going to discuss about a physical quantity, magnetic dipole moment, which is represented by vector mu. We have considered up to a current carrying coil, and this magnetic dipole moment is related with a current carrying coil. If n be the unit vector perpendicular to the plane of the coil. Unit vector is perpendicular to the plane of the coil. The direction of magnetic dipole moment is similar to this unit vector, that is perpendicular to the plane of the coil. And the magnitude of magnetic dipole moment is given by mu is equal to NIA. Suppose equation number 1, where n be the number of turns of the coil and I be the current flowing through the coil, and A be the area of each turn of the coil. If such a current carrying coil is held in a uniform magnetic field, a current carrying coil is placed in or suspended in a uniform magnetic field, then the coil is acted upon by a torque, and that torque is given by mu b sine theta. We know that whenever a current carrying rectangular coil or circular coil is placed in a uniform magnetic field, then the torque is acted on that coil. So this torque is given by this equation mu b sine theta. Suppose that is equation 2, where mu is the magnetic dipole moment and b is the uniform magnetic field, and theta be the angle between vector mu and vector b. Magnetic dipole moment and the uniform magnetic field. Therefore, the magnitude of in vector form, this torque is given by vector tau is equal to vector mu cross vector b. We have seen in 11th standard vector product. This is vector product of two vectors which gives a resultant vector quantity. So this is vector product of vector mu and vector b, and magnitude of this is given by this equation. Therefore, the vector form of torque is this. We will see two cases. Case 1. If theta between vector mu and vector b is 0 degree, okay, the angle between vector mu and vector b is 0 degree, then the equation 2 becomes, okay, keep the value of theta in equation 2, okay, in equation 2. So tau is equal to, mu b sine 0 and tau is equal to 0, since sine 0 is always 0, okay. So this is the minimum torque exerted on the current carrying coil. Case 2. If theta is 90 degree, okay, the angle between vector mu and vector b is 90 degree, then equation 2 becomes, okay, tau is equal to mu b sine 90. Tau is equal to mu b. Since sine 90 is 1, okay. Thus, we have seen two cases of torque exerted on a current carrying coil if it is placed in uniform magnetic field. This was about the magnetic dipole moment. So, thank you, students.